Hello, in front of me I've got SwitchBot Lock. In this video I'll show you how to lock and unlock doors. In the beginning, let's go to the SwitchBot app and select your lock. To lock or unlock the doors, press this button. You can also use emergency unlock function. Tap the icon above, your lock will turn in the unlocking direction until it cannot go any further to unlock your door. If your door didn't unlock, tap the icon again and your lock will turn in locking direction until it cannot go any further to unlock. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.